Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to speed up a song in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, the discover, services, library, and the search. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and speed up a song in Bandlab. So it is pretty simple, and then you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I told you in the start of the video. Go to your library and open the project containing the song you want to speed up. Click on the time stretch icon above the track list. Click and hold the audio region you want to speed up. Drag the right edge of the audio region to speed it up. You can also adjust the playback rate from the editor tab below. Then tap on the bottom right corner to apply the changes. This will speed up the selected audio region without affecting the pitch. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.